So fairly recently I found this bootable operating system that has been 100% fully vibe coded using AI. I wanna try and boot it into a virtual machine and just check it out, how does it look like. But first I wanna check out the documentation, how to actually do that. VibeOS, world's first vibe-coded AI operating system. So this is approximately how it looks like. It kind of has that macOS layout, basically. And this one also has support for ARM64 and x64 architecture. So that's great, because I have an Apple Silicon MacBook. And some of the features that this has is a file manager, there's a terminal, there's an image viewer, there's a snake game, and a bunch more stuff, basically. And it can run Doom as well. Enough of talking, I think let's just go ahead and boot it. How do I get it bigger? Could I possibly increase the scaling of this, because the window is quite small? Enter full screen, maybe that, okay, this is much better. So when I booted it for the first time, it opened up the file manager. It had it open, and the terminal as well. And there doesn't seem to be any desktop selection. I cannot drag to select stuff, okay? Let's check out this readme.txt. VibeOS Desktop Manager, double-click to open files, right-click for context menu. Okay, and there's a context menu. New text document. And what is this wallpaper? Is it also AI generated? I don't know. Let's try to change it. Change background. There's a bunch of wallpapers. Nature. This one kinda looks AI generated. What about this one? This, I'm not sure. Maybe, yeah, also AI generated. Just basic gradients, okay? And I can resize the window as well, but we can see all of the items go outside of the window. So that's kind of like a bug he should fix. Then I think let's, wait, what is this? About VibeOS. ARM64, memory, 252 megabytes, okay? Oh, and there's NeoFetch as well. NeoFetch, and we can see the information about the operating system. We're using only 12 megabytes of RAM. Does this actually move? No, it still says 12 megabytes, okay? Let's type help, and I can ping something as well. Wait, let's ping like a super basic address, I don't know. Package sent. So that's the terminal. It's quite basic actually. So we already checked out the terminal. What about the file manager? This kind of reminds me, yeah, of Finder. Is there a command for deletion? I think my system crashed. I guess I'm gonna have to restart. Okay, wait, it says kernel panic, data abort, system halted. Okay, let's launch it again. This was unexpected. Okay, I'm gonna see, can I do some system destruction? Can I delete important system files, or are there any protections built in? Can we delete the system32 on this one? I'm just kidding. There's not even the option to delete these files. You can only create files, you can't delete them. Oh, so there's a to-do list. Implement browser, fix bugs, sleep. Sample 3D. We can listen to music. Or actually, why can't I launch it? Then let's check out calculator. This one looks a lot like the macOS calculator. Let's do 9 times 8. 72. And 6 minus 4. That's 2. Okay. The calculator works as expected. I don't know what was I expecting even. This one also is basically just Notepad. Then what about this application? What is okay, it's settings. You can't even toggle anything. This is just system information. You can't change stuff. Clock. I wonder if it's actually moving. I don't know. Wait a sec. Why does it say 12:10 right here, but it says 12:30 right here? It's like 2 different times and none of them are correct. Oh, and there's Doom. Okay, maybe this one works. Let's see. We can play Doom on AI-generated operating system. And my keyboard input doesn't work? What is going on? Why doesn't my keyboard input work? The only thing that works is mouse 1, it seems like, but then how do I walk? It's like you press mouse 1 and it gets stuck and keeps shooting and firing the weapon. I'm not sure if this is an issue with my setup or something, but a lot of stuff just doesn't work. Let's check out the next thing. Snake. This one is so much simpler. If I don't hold the arrow key, it moves really slowly. If I hold it, then it moves so much faster. Oh, and walls don't kill you. And what about web? Does this one work? Networking enabled. So this feature, I guess, also doesn't work. Anyway, that's kind of all I wanted to say for today, and just get out of here. I'll be back.